Okay, so Tennessee is next, right? They eat the bread of wickedness and drink the wine of violence. Arkansas is next. Portland is going to experience some higher winds and rain. Mm-mm. The Orishas, I think I said something about the Orishas. I can't make this shit up. The ethers. Nothing is too hard for God. Told you he ain't playing. There's something going on in New Mexico. Something very toxic. They're gonna get it the hardest. So there's a woman named Cynthia that's a Cancer that stays in Alabama. She has a voodoo doll on a divine being. She's gonna get wiped out for doing so. Because she been getting nudges to stop doing the shit and she won't listen. So like I said, God said it's not too hard. Nothing too hard for him, period. So we have Lebal out, the messenger of the Orisha, the opening and the closing of path in life. We have Horus, god of the sky, sun, and protection. We have Oya, life and death goddess. Oya can raise and command spirits, guardian of the cemetery, the underworld. We have God Set, god of desert, storms, violence, disorder, and foreigners. We have Shango, god of thundering, war, judgment, and justice. Put some respect on their fucking names. We have goddess Mayed, goddess of truth, justice, and order. We have God Osiris, Egyptian god, god of death, resurrection, resurrection, rebirth, ruler of the underworld. There's a lot of underworld going on in this bitch. Karma here. Karma, tenfold, somewhat to be Ashe. Justice, doom, justice. We have Goddess Isis. So let's break this down here. We have Goddess Isis. She's here with her husband. We put Osiris over here. We have Goddess Osiris and Isis. She over here with her husband and her son. Okay? Yes, with divine clearing. The Most High. Ra. This right here, they taking their trash out. No more warnings. And I'm gonna end this here. God said nothing is too hard. Confirmation. Peace. I'm here. Watch out.